In this video, let's see how to create tabs in Confluence. In the navigation bar, click on Explore More Apps under Apps. In the search bar, search for Tab. Select Tabs for Confluence from the search results. Click Try It Free on the app page. In the pop-up, click on Review. Click Start Free Trial. Once the app is installed, go to your desired page. Then, click the drop-down arrow in the toolbar to access more options. Search for Tab in the search bar. Select Tabs from the drop-down list. In the pop-up, enter a name for the tab in the Tab Name field. Enter a name for the second tab. Click Save to add the tabs.